Ryan here for Silly Reviews, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, a lot of you guys who watch the channel, young adults, mom and dad, have been making those peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for you for a long time, and you wonder how they make that magic happen. How do they do it? First step is no more cutting of the crust, okay? Crust is delicious. Crust is great. Okay, it's going to be a taste that you adapt to as you get older, as your taste buds they develop. Keep the crust on your sandwich. Now we're going to use a couple of whole wheat slices of bread here. Only other things you need, you're going to need a jar here of Smucker's Goober Grape. That's going to give you fastest, quickest, easiest way possible to make your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Of course, it says America's favorite, so how could you get anything else unless you support AOC, unless you're a communist? You're going to want to get America's favorite. That's Smucker's Goober Grape, okay? Everything you need is in that jar. The only tool you're going to need is a spoon, okay? Not a knife, not a fork, just a spoon. And it's going to be just this easy. Got your 2 pieces of bread right here, your Smucker's Goober Grape. We're going to go ahead and pop top on that daddy, boop bop. Now, if you only looked at this, if you're like super tall and you only looked at this from the top down view, you're like, wait, that's just a jar of peanut butter with some type of splash on the top of it. But once we get in here with our tool, you'll see you're gonna get a nice blend of peanut butter and jelly, and it's this easy, ladies and gentlemen. I like to scoop from the center to the side. Center to the side. That's how you're going to get the jelly. You're going to get the peanut butter. Just like this. You don't need to be a world's strongest man to get this out of here, but look at, oh my goodness. Perfect amount right there. Perfect amount. Now, what you do is you take your piece of bread, boop bop. You're going to turn your spoon over like that. Apply it to one side, then you're gonna smooth that daddy on down. You're gonna smooth it on in there. Try to make everything level, okay? Try to make it level. Come on, you can do this, guys. You can do this. If you don't get it right on your first try again, but that's it. Okay, boom. There we go. Now, this is a really fun part right here. This is a good part because what's on the spoon that you don't need on the sandwich, go ahead and just go ahead and just eat that up right off the spoon. Now, we've got the 1 piece of bread. You can't have a sandwich without a top and a bottom of bread. Watch how we do this. Lay it on the top. Gorgeous. Last move. Now, this is most important. Don't forget to take your hand, apply some pressure, put your weight into it, and smash that daddy. Woo! Beautiful looking sandwich right here. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. This is how you make a quick and easy peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Peanut butter and jelly time.